Yeah, I don't know what I'm playing. I'm just messing around. I had a video that I actually made. I was saving for a day because I didn't want to throw it back up there. I just did this stupid little Enter Sandman little clip for the hell of it. And then I deleted. I thought I was deleting that, and I deleted the better one. Because I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot, a loser, a microphone abuser. Okay, shut up. Heads up. Come on. I need to see what I'm doing here. Not that I can see it, but there it is. See, that's the first phase. Like, this is both of them out of phase, and then put them in series. I think the marker is dominant because of the string vibration. Put them out of phase. springs in the back, 5 springs. So if I hit this note here, try doing that on 3 string Floyd without bending up to match pitch. Okay, anyway, this is gonna be a long ass video. Shush! Come on, Boots. I gotta get to my switch, which is behind the plastic there, which keeps the dust off my Black Star head. And that's Sabbath, gathered in their masses. Ooh, demonetize me. As if I ever made a penny from any videos, please. Child, please. Anyway, this is, like I say, this neck had a twist in it. I had to route a channel in the back, put an opposite twist to the wood, which, you put blocks across, the top and bottom of the neck, and you lock it in, and then you take the headstock type thing, which I believe was the other headstock at the time, the original 6-in-line, and you force it the other way. You put it down on the table, lock this one down, go up here and twist it the other way, whatever way is opposite, twist it, and you lock it together, and you route the channel until it has a lot of twists, because you just ripped out half of the wood that connects it. And then you glue in a thing of walnut, just a square, 1/4 inch by 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch by 3/8 or whatever. And you lock it in there, and you glue it, and you leave it for like a week until it's completely set through hot and cold and humidity and everything else. And then you take it out and you sand it down, whatever you need to do to clean it up and make it, like this. What am I doing? I can't see it. Oh, there it is. And then it's not even centered, really. I mean, it's kind of close, but it's not. It's not centered. It's off a little bit. That's okay, because who cares? It works. Then when it tries to go back, it only goes back as far as this lets it. And this neck is really good this way. And this veneer is really good this way. And this painted on binding looks good from a distance. And this one has the comfort cut, which I don't do on a whole lot of mine anymore. I don't know why. And it has weight relief, of course. There's a bunch of pockets routed in here. And I route pockets in here before I even do anything with the wiring channels. Anyway, there you go.